and as I already told you that I am in Bangkok. So I'm walking on the streets of Bangkok and we are heading towards one park. What is the name of the park, Mr. Shabazz? And my friend is with me right now. So we are trying to, cover this particular a trip. Which park are we heading to? Which park?
It's very important park in downtown and you will really enjoy that one.
Okay, and what's the name of this park?
High name, but they say it's a forest park.
It's a forest park.
Most of the foreigners, they cannot pronounce high names.
Ah, yes, definitely. I understand that. So we are going to that park and definitely we will try to cover most of the area of that park, and the ones who are watching us, they can enjoy the view of that park. I'm pretty much sure whenever you come to Bangkok, you can visit this park because according to my friend, Mr. Shabazz, who lives in Bangkok, and he told me that it's a very, very nice and attractive park. So it's my second time in Bangkok. I came to Bangkok in 2023. At that point in time, I didn't get much time to explore Bangkok because I just stayed here for 3 or 4 days, I guess. And most of the time I stayed in Chiang Mai, which is another city in Thailand. So I explored Chiang Mai more than Bangkok. So this time I just planned with my friend that we are going to explore all the attractive tourist places. So right now we are heading towards it, and let's see how we actually cover this particular tour. Okay, Mr. Shabazz, you want to say something?
Let's go and explore downtown.
Okay. All right, we'll meet at the spot which we want you to see through this camera. So
This place is very, very famous among the foreigners.
okay, which street is this?
Soi Cowboy. Just
Soi Cowboy. Yes, we are going through this particular place called Soi Cowboy. As you can see here, Soi Cowboy. This street is Soi Cowboy. Very famous, very famous, as my friend told you. So let's see. We can see more places.
Now look at the beautiful thing here. And here in our own country, most of the diplomatic places are not very close to us. But look at that. It's very beautiful.
Okay, and this is an embassy of Republic of Kazakhstan. It's the embassy of Kazakhstan. This is the gate of this embassy, Kazakhstan embassy. And in Pakistan, we normally do not come across, embassies of different countries. But here, we are in the center of the Bangkok, and we can just see there are a lot of places over here on this Soi Cowboy. Yeah. Soi Cowboy is the name of this street. So this was another very famous place which I wanted to, show you. And what's that? It's another, I think it's kind of a pub. Yeah, it's an Irish pub, I guess. As you can see, we are passing by this Irish pub. You see? Let me show you more places over here.
This is the pub here. Look at that. Land holiday. So that's why it's a public holiday.
Okay. Murphy. Okay, Irish pub. You can see it's an Irish pub. It's closed actually because of the religious holiday? Okay, fine. All right. Mr. Shabazz? Yes, we are walking down the street. One of them heading towards that park actually. Our main destination is that park actually, but we are showing you different places. Okay.
Soi Cowboy, how it looks.
Okay, it's another street called Soi Cowboy. That was also the part of Soi Cowboy? Yeah, it's another very famous street, Soi Cowboy. Okay, let me flip the camera and show you. Alright, here we go. It's a Soi Cowboy, another very famous street. Look at these places. Look at these, what we call it, clubs? Shabazz? Are they clubs or what? Huh? These are the clubs, I guess.
Yeah, most of them
Or
are
pubs or clubs. That's Rainbow, very famous club. Alright.
And as in
So
whatever it is,
they are not fully open because of the fact that it's a religious holiday here. And also the fact that they normally get open after, I guess, 7 or 8 p.m. They are nightclubs, in fact. But some of them are also open in the day as well, if I'm not wrong. Correct? So we are going through this Soi Cowboy, the street.
it's right in
Whenever you come to Bangkok, visit this street, Soi Cowboy. Okay?
you can see Terminal 21 is there.
Okay, this is an interesting place actually. I wanted to show you. That is Terminal 21.
And look at those buildings.
And whenever you come, guys,
you have seen those buildings shaking.
yes, and these are the same buildings. Mr. Shabazz, Shabazz, on? Okay. So these are the places here. This is one of the skyscrapers which actually shook during the earthquake, right? The other day. Yes. And whenever you come to Bangkok, visit Terminal 21. Look at these buildings here. These are the skyscrapers. And during the earthquake, nothing happened to these buildings. Look at the infrastructure. Bangkok have. Yeah? What? What? Think he's saying something? What is he saying, by the way? Mr. Shivaj? He was saying something.
You really need
Huh?
find a good partner.
Oh my god! He was trying to tempt us, I guess. Alright, so you can see the infrastructure. And what is that bridge for, Mr. Shabazz? Can you explain to me that? Is it a BTS?
Yeah, it is a BTS.
BTS
This is
bridge?
one of the most convenient. Look at the
And
train.
what is BTS? I mean, can you please explain that? It's a train actually, overhead train which is going on. Moving on top of the bridge.
Very prime location.
Okay.
Everything is around this place.
What's this
Seafood.
place called? Okay, it's also called Sukhumvit. Sukhumvit. It's an area called Sukhumvit.
Yeah, but Sukhumvit is a very long line.
Yeah. So right now,
Patna district. That's Patna district center, right? Patna district. Huh? Yeah.
all right. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this place. Sukhumvit, Patna Sukhumvit, right? Is the place here in Bangkok. And I have already told you that it is one of the prime locations.
Patna district is here from here.
These tall buildings have really impressed me because in my country I don't find such skyscrapers. Now I'm going to cross the road here. Look at the people cycling as well. This woman is cycling, riding. Look at the traffic here in Bangkok. Infrastructure, an exchange tower, another very tall building. You can find a lot of tall buildings in Bangkok. An urban, ultra-urban city. So we are about to, cross this road through this, what we call it, zigzag, no? Pedestrian, what do you call it?
Zebra crossing.
Yeah, zebra crossing. We have to cross this road and we have to be very, very careful because there's a lot of traffic. Like that. So guys, we are trying to reach our destination. The final destination is that we are going to go to that park. And as you can see here as well, so I'm along with my friend Mr. Shabazz. Look at these over here. There are a lot of hotels in this area. Look at the traffic. Look at a lot of foreigners here. I think Bangkok is one of the most visited city in the world, if I'm not wrong. There was a report in 2023 that Bangkok was one of the most city in that year. I don't know about 2024. I think yes. Even in 2024, it was one of the most visited cities. People from all over the world visit Bangkok every year. You can see the street food here. Look at the street food. Street food. You can enjoy the street food very cheap, very cheap. High goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover myself as well. Here I am. So we are passing by what's that place? The hotel? Which hotel is it? Huh? The Blue. Name of the hotel. I think it's one of the 5-star hotels. The Blue. It's the hotel. The Blue. Tui Blue, sorry, Tui Blue. So
Now there is a fact that I want to show here.
yes.
Skyscrapers,
Okay.
and that side, the people call it the biggest slum in Bangkok. Very
Okay.
closer to the heart of Bangkok.
Okay.
You can
Any other information you would like to provide to us regarding this particular area?
Though there are plenty of cars, you can see, but the beauty of this place is there is urban oxygen very next to it.
Oh, that's interesting.
Urban oxygen cylinder.
Okay.
You will
Okay. Interesting.
that's probably
Okay, now we are going to. All right. So here we are just planning here. Next to the bridge, overhead bridge. We have to go to the other side of the bridge. So we are climbing this bridge. Go across this bridge, the other side of the road. So I'd like to show you. Look at that. I'm on top of the bridge, crossing it so that I can go to the other side of the road. Look at that hustle and bustle of traffic. It's a very nice view. Look at those buildings.
so from that side.
Yes, yeah, I've covered that as well.
Imagine they are even cleaning this one, fixing this one for the pedestrians. People can go walk from this
Oh
side.
my God.
It's a new one, right?
Interesting.
Yeah. So that people even like to go for jogging on this track.
Ah.
And that's very next to them is the urban cylinder.
Sure, sure. That's nice.
The urban development is always going on. That's the beauty.
Yeah. All right. So, Mr. Shabazz,
Yeah.
are we going towards that side?
Yes, definitely at the gate of it.
Okay. See, my friend Mr. Shabazz lives in Bangkok.
Papaya.
He's actually
Papaya.
okay. He's actually my tour guide today, who is going to show me